So, welcome back to your second session, everyone. Well, the second session you supposed to study writing shooter 2A, but actually teacher confused the schedule and we gonna learn about the listening to the news instead. Okay. So now, can you open your book on page 27? That the title of today is Calculator in Class, and it related to the general interest as well. So, what are your general interests, everyone? Can be eating interest, can be shopping, can be entertaining, or can be sport. You may choose one of these, or you can think of the others, like your interest more with that. Okay. So our lesson will focus on the new device that we call like calculator, that most of you maybe use it in the class nowadays, and also use it for helping like to do mathematics or physics lesson, right? It faster, easier, but you know that it have like has like pros and cons as well. We don't know that to which age that we should allow the calculator to be in the class. Supposed to be a doll or supposed to be a kid or like academic learner can be at the university. Uh, teacher would like you to see some with the con of using calculator. You know, calculator is a crunch, and it can be the impact of improving the mindset, like the how to solve it. Okay, and not able to stimulate or challenge enough. Meaning that they don't care much with their like what to do with the process like this like that, but it just pick up the calculators and then just type like minus plus multiplies or divide it easily. Okay, and to prevent from learning basic mathematics, this is for young learner, you know, for the young learner like the kid. Okay, uh, grade 1 or grade 2 student, grade 3, when they depend with their uh, calculator, you know, they will not improve at all because of the young age. Okay, they should learn how or to do the mathematics manually, not typing. It become like to depend. When they depend on the calculator so much, so they would become like a passive learner, not in an active. But actually, you know, it has like the pros as well. Like calculator is vital to implement in the modern educations. hmm So teacher can write one example when you go to Google. Okay, you will see you just type a calculator, and you can use it freely. Okay, you don't need to buy the calculator if you have the phone. Just go to Google and type calculators. It can be spent on learning higher order thinking and reasoning skill. Meaning that some students they don't like want to learn about too much complicated with the mathematics. Okay, they think that the concept of the understanding that enough, no need to solve it all or understand 100%. Calculator is just a simply task. It like reflect to the pros and con. You know, calculator can just a simple task for the students. Some students, you know, they or you also that you have study a lot of subjects, right? A lot of subjects, not only mathematics, not only physics. So when you spend your time with using it in the class, okay, just only like one or two subjects only. So it doesn't mean like it determine your studying at all. Okay. So let's see here, like should calculator be used in the class? You can see on page 27 again, everyone. Just think of this topic. You know, in the United States, there has been a big debate about whether or not, okay, young students should be allowed to use calculators in the class. After some research, some researchers argue that students need to understand the basic math operations. Some people are worried about students use calculator too much in the school. Is math an important subject? Not at all, everyone. Not only mathematics. We have more subject. Okay. Okay. So teacher would like you to see some of these. Vocabulary. We have only 5. The first of all, like device. Okay. You can see the phonetic symbol device. Okay. The word number 2, plug-in. Plug-in. You also can say separately like plug in. It's okay. And you want to link the syllable, you just plug in. Plug in. Okay. What about the word number 3, everyone? The word number 3 is about the council. Council. Number 4, solve. Solve. Number 5, complex. Complex. Okay. So what does it mean device, everyone? So now can you match with this definition? So teacher give you 5 definition also, like A, to connect to a source of electricity. B, a group of people. C, difficult and challenging. D, something that helps people to do a job. E, to find an answer. So can you answer the question, everyone? Okay, so teacher would like to show you here, like a device. Device means that something that help people to do a job. What was that, everyone? You can like check your phone, everyone. The device of how you can use the phone. They have the different device as well. Sometimes you can call it accessory. Okay, like earphone. Okay, like headphone and more, like speaker, just type of device. Okay. How about plug-in? Plug-in to connect to a source of electricity. Can be charging the phone. Okay, you have to plug it in with the socket. Council mean a group of people. Okay. Solve, to find an answer. And the last one, complex, mean difficult or challenging. So this is some of the vocabulary that you have to learn today, everyone. So now let's practice with these 2 sentences. My phone is out of batteries. Should what? I should plug in now. Okay. So how can I solve that math exercise? It is too, or it is so. Yeah, it is so complicated. So this is the end of the slide today, everyone. So thank you so much for your paying attention, and see you tomorrow.